AI is the future. Learn prompt engineering, start a SaaS, sell courses. That's what most people are told, and they rush to the same saturated ideas. Copy-pasting ChatGPT prompts, building tools that already exist, starting faceless YouTube channels with AI-generated voices and stock footage. But here's the truth. You don't get rich by chasing AI trends. You get rich by solving old problems in new ways. This script is not about fluff. It's a blueprint for how normal people, not tech bros, can leverage AI in high-value ways, even if they're starting from $0, have no coding skills, and don't want to be on camera. Most people think we're already too late, but 2025 is actually the beginning of the monetization phase. Here's why. In 2025, something critical has changed. AI tools are cheap and widely accessible. Most businesses still don't know how to use them. Customers don't care if it's AI-powered. They care about results. So the question becomes, can you use AI to solve a real business problem better, faster, or cheaper than before? If yes, you can build a real income. If not, you're just another trend chaser. Let's be brutally honest. ChatGPT won't make you rich. Not Midjourney, not Claude, not Sora. They're just tools. Hammers don't build houses. Builders do. The real money comes from this simple formula. Audience times, problem solved times. Trust equals profit. AI makes solving the problem faster and cheaper. But the audience and the problem come first. Most AI content out there teaches people to use ChatGPT to write blog posts, use Midjourney to create designs, sell content on Fiverr. Here's how you build a real system. Pick a niche audience that spends money on time-saving solutions, e.g. dentists, coaches, realtors. Identify a repeatable task they hate doing, e.g. client onboarding, lead qualification, appointment reminders. Build an automation around it using AI plus no-code tools. Zapier, Make, ChatGPT, Sheets. Offer it as a service, charged monthly. Systematize client onboarding, fulfillment, and renewal. Do this once? You can earn $500 per month. Do this with 10 clients? That's $5,000 a month. Automate and delegate? Now you're an agency owner. Before we go into models, we need to get this clear. Prompt engineering is useful, yes, but trying to sell it as a service? Nobody cares. Clients want outcomes, not prompts. Businesses won't pay for your prompt. They'll pay to reduce no-shows, increase leads, or speed up operations. Lesson: don't sell the tool, sell the transformation. People spend months building an AI tool to help creators write tweets, then realize they have no audience, no niche, and no unique positioning. The build trap. If you build it, they won't come. Instead, test the idea before you build. The moment you offer AI services as cheap content creation, you're in a race to the bottom. There's always someone who will do it cheaper, faster, or for free with a template. The only way to win long-term: solve painful business problems and show proof of results. When we say get rich, let's be specific. $5,000 a month equals freedom from a 9-to-5, $10,000 a month equals replace most full-time incomes, $20,000 plus a month equals build a real team, reinvest, scale. This isn't about passive income memes. It's about building a real asset that uses AI to replace human effort in high-friction areas of business. Now that you understand the real opportunity with AI in 2025, it's time to get tactical. In this section, we'll walk through 4 business models, each designed to help beginners, freelancers, and agency builders start from $0 and scale to $5,000 to $10,000 plus per month. No fluff, no hype, just models, strategies, scripts, tools, and steps. The AI Service Agency. Start here if you're a freelancer, beginner, or side hustler. What it is: you use AI plus no-code tools to automate repetitive business tasks, then sell it as a monthly service to clients. You're not building apps, your packaging done-for-you automation using tools like ChatGPT and Claude for logic and text, Zapier for automation, Google Sheets and Notion for backend, WhatsApp, Twilio, and email for outputs. For example, dentists lose $1,000 to $5,000 per month due to missed appointments. You have to set up an AI plus SMS system that reminds patients and reschedules automatically. For this use, tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, Twilio, and Google Sheets. For this, you can charge $300 to $500 per month per client. The fake tool pre-sale model. For creators or entrepreneurs who want to build products but hate risk. What it is, you create a mock-up of an AI tool, e.g., on Figma or Framer, sell early access, and only build it after getting paid. No coding, no risk, all upside. For example, AI scheduler for fitness coaches. AI assistant that replies to client DMs and book sessions based on your calendar. You have to build a landing page with mock-ups and offer a beta launch. Only 20 lifetime licenses at $99. If 10 people buy, that's $990 to fund development. AI-enhanced content engine. For content creators who want to scale production and monetize smartly. What it is, you use AI to plan, script, repurpose, and monetize content, creating an engine that works 24/7. The AI-powered lead generation agency, what it is. You use AI to automate cold outreach, qualify leads, and schedule calls for businesses. Example, real estate lead gen. Realtors are bad at responding fast to inquiries. You build an AI chatbot that instantly replies, qualifies leads, and books appointments. Now, we are going to answer the big question. How do I turn this into a real, long-term, scalable income stream? Let's build your path to a six-figure AI-powered business. Now we are going to answer the big question. How do I turn this into a real, long-term, scalable income stream? The foundation. Build a system, not a side hustle. If you want to grow to $5,000 to $10,000 per month and beyond, you cannot stay in freelancer mode. You need to shift to system operator mode. Hustlers chase clients. Operators build systems that attract, deliver, and retain clients on autopilot. Client acquisition engine offer delivery engine retention and upsell engine. Don't wait. Don't overthink. Pick a problem, solve it once, then solve it for 10 more people with a system. That's how you get rich with AI in 2025. If this breakdown helped you, subscribe, because every week I go deeper into profitable business models using AI without the hype and with the systems. Comment below. What niche are you thinking of targeting? I'll pick one and build a full case study on it in the next video.